Hello, this is Jonah. We are here in Candoni and we're spelunking, caving, and ano ni siyang tawag sini? This is kuiba. Kuiba na ni. So kuiba. Alagyan, this is a pass.
Wall climbing, mama.
So wall climbing. Wow, natural.
Love it.
Oh, be careful. Look at that. That's a deep crevice down there.
Ay, kakapilas. Delikado.
Pilas is a cliff.
Ang bato, mami, hindi na siya bakod. Nakatiphag na sa...
Okay, yeah. So, bato is the stone and we have sharp rocks. So, I'm hanging on to dear life for that. So, this is caving. We are in the kuiba. May ngalan ni siya nga kuiba?
Ano nga ngalan sa...
Hoops!
Wala.
Wala.
Wala sa Kennington. Oo.
At Kennington. Okay.
Way to the cave of Kennington Hills.
Kennington Hill. Kenny Hill! Kenny G.
Rogers.
Kenny Rogers. May tao pa sa likod.
Wala na, ma'am.
Wala na. Ay, kita ang sweeper. Oh, akong ginasweep. Sige. We made it!
The best, the best. Ang maling namin ako, trail.
It's a very short trail, but very challenging. I finally made use of my rock climbing skills. Rock climbing 101. Thank you. There's Zek. Hi, Zek.
More to come.
And Army as well. Ah!
As well.
When is not here?
Si Zay ko naman pabilin. O, yung Zay ka man si... Ay!
What a challenge. Okay, so we're here now in the forest. Forest is kagulangan.
Kaya tago-tago mo sa amon, ha?
Wayang is wilderness.
Secret passage ka da, oh.
And woods is kakahuyan. Amo na siya kadalom. So, amo na to sila ho.
Tapos
Ato sila
nadagdagan
sa
mo
unahan.
cellphone.
Nadagdagan cellphone. Oh my gosh. Exploring another cave. This is called Timbang Buho, meaning this hole over here, buho, is connecting another buho over there. That's Timbang Buho. There's a match. Tight. Very gutok. And yes, it's cool inside. Bugnaw. Okay, from out of there to in there. Getting inside. Dark and damp and tight.
Next again.
It's dulum. Dark, damp, humog, and deep dalom. Let me see. There, down there. Wow. What's in this cave?
You will see stalagmites or stalactites, I don't know, and underground river.
Really?
Yes.
How big is it?
The river?
And the cave, the entire
about
cave.
4 meters wide.
Oh my gosh. Can we see it? Can we take a video? Is it bright inside?
As long as you have the lights.
So I don't know if we can take a video inside. So
Yeah, I guess.
are you excited? Are you
Of course,
nervous?
this is not my second time.
It's not scary inside.
No.
This is my first time, so I'm a bit scared. Kung kaya nila, kaya natin. Alright.
Tugnaw, tugnaw kita da, sir.
Tugnaw, so it's cool
Pagtindog mo da,
inside.
sus.
It's quite dark and treacherous with slimy, sharp rocks. So that's the challenge here. Ano nga lan? Sininga kuiba? Cueva de Cave. Cueva de Cave. So Lorne is one of the last to come out of the cave. Congratulations, guys! This is John Omar. Bye! Alright.
Till next
Let's
time.
go!